Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Seema. So guys, today I will tell you in this video this question every English learner's mind. So everyone in starting they think I don't have any English partner, so how can I practice and how can I learn English. So guys, in this video I will tell you and I will tell you this problem solution. So guys, it's not compulsory that yeah, partner speaking partner is very important in learning English. So I know that if you have any speaking partner, then yeah, it can be helpful for you for learning English, but it's not important. This is not that you cannot learn English without any partner. So you don't think like this. So you don't wait for any English partner. You should follow right way and consistency, then also you can learn English. So guys, I am also from village. There is no I have no any partner for learning English, but also I'm learning English and I'm practicing English myself. So I will tell you that tips and some points what I follow. So guys, you can do you stand in front of mirror and speak aloud and give your introduction and say some simple sentences, and you can throughout the day you can think simple sentences like I'm doing this, I'm doing that, I'm eating, I'm hungry. You can say like these sentences in your mind. So if you will do like this every day, then you will be habituate thinking in English. So and use your mobile phone and record your video and notice your grammar, fluency and your pronunciation, and in next video you try to improve that mistake. So if you will do this method every day, then once you definitely your English will be improved and you can speak English. So guys, I'm also English learner. I'm learning English and I'm daily practicing for English. So I think my video helped you. So if you like my video, then like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Bye bye.